Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a real treat for you. I have the Bargain Bead box unboxing for December of 2025. I have not looked at it yet. I did watch Lauren's little sneak peek, but I've been so busy I forgot what most of the stuff was. So this is almost like I'm seeing it for the first time again with you guys. So I'm getting over the stomach flu. We've had a fun 5 days in my house, let me tell you. I hope everybody's washing their hands. Okay, so this one is called Time Traveler. And it says, take a step back in time with us through this delightfully demure, vintage-inspired collection. This month's selections include a working watch pendant, genuine freshwater pearls, luscious peach moonstones, or sunstones and moonstone, avocado green agate, shimmering champagne crystals, and antique bronze accents. So now, these boxes, if you're not familiar, Bargain Bead box, I do have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $24.99 and they're valued at over $60. This month's box is $86.82 it's valued at. So, and there's 18 items in it. So let us see. Oh, this looks pretty. I do remember that little watch. That is so cute. Oh, what pretty things. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, some really pretty things. Round ball charms. Crystal faceted. Okay. These are pretty. Okay, so let me get this set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so number one, this is so pretty. It's a 41 by 27 millimeter pocket watch pendant with a 30-inch chain. So what you do is you press, I did watch her, Lauren's, her unboxing, you know, where she just showed her sneak peek one. And she did say, okay, so you press this button right up here. So you close it and you press it like right there to open it. And when what's this little piece of plastic right in here, when you're ready to start using it, you pull that out, you snap that out, and then you can, you know, wind it and do all your stuff with it and get started. But that little piece of plastic is in there so that the battery doesn't wear down during shipping. So it's so cute. And they gave you the cord with it, the chain with it, so you can either use this on its own and take it off the chain and use the chain for something else, or you can use it with this. But this is so cute. This was retailed at $11.99. It's got a very antique look to it, and it goes really well with the chain. So, you know, it's got a lobster clasp. I mean, it's literally ready to give as a gift if you wanted it to. Or so either that, or you can use this for something else. You can use this as a pendant and make a beaded necklace with it and do it like that. So we have that. And then number two is the 25 by 18.5 millimeter peach moonstone teardrop pendant. This is so pretty. Oh, it's so soft. It's got the little hole there, and I always like to put a bead cap over there when I use them as pendants. I'm sure we have we have bead caps here, so I can show you how I do that. I'm sure I'll do a video with it. And number three is 7-inch strand of 5 to 8 by 3 to 4 millimeter cultured freshwater pearl rice beads. So these are really pretty. Yeah, so here's all the information. These are really pretty. Freshwater pearls are really pretty, especially when they're in this rice shape. They have that little stripe going down in there. These are really pretty. I've gotten these before in other boxes, and I've always used them up. Okay, and number 4 is a 15.5-inch strand of peach moonstone and sunstone nugget beads. Oh, these are, oh, wow. You could make this a double bracelet if you wanted to. Very pretty. These are very pretty. Wow. Oh, these are, oh, sorry, you hit the camera. Those are gorgeous. And number 5 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8mm champagne luster agate dyed coated beads. Whoa. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. These are absolutely beautiful. Wow. I don't know if I've ever seen these champagne coated ones before like this. Beautiful. Oh, very excited for this box. Okay. And number 6 is a 7-inch strand of 6mm elation agate dyed round beads. These are pretty. The holes are very well drilled. Looks very pretty. You can mix this with the peach moonstone. You could do like a, it'd be fun. It'd be kind of unique if you took like the pearls and the peach moonstone and the green and did like a little mixture with those. Those would be really pretty. Maybe you'll do like a memory wire bracelet with those or something. That'd be really pretty. Number 7 is 8mm, a 5-inch strand of 8mm shell pearl man-made round beads in coral pink. These are really pretty. Loving the colors this month. And you know what? As much as I love the Christmas boxes, and I do, and it gets me in the spirit, I like that they didn't do that for December, because by the time we get the box and unbox it and try to make stuff, it's the holiday. So I would, if they're going to send us a Christmas box, I'd rather they send it in like November. I think that's a better idea. So I was really happy. I told Lauren, I left a comment and I said I was really happy that they didn't send us a Christmas theme box this year. Not to be a humbug. Okay, and number 8 is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm plated hematite man-made faceted beads in deep bronze. These are really pretty. And I like that they're faceted. I like using a lot of hematite with my jewelry, because especially when you do like spacer beads, if you do like a necklace or you do something, because if you do silver in there, it starts to tarnish. And I've noticed if I use like hematite or zinc alloy in some of my spacers, they don't tarnish. So when you know, sell your jewelry or you make it for a present, they're not having to like take that little cloth and try and wipe those little pieces in between, because it's so difficult. So that's really pretty. And number 9 is a 16-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in vintage peach mix. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh, look at that shimmer. Loving that shimmer. Ooh, very pretty. Okay, and let me get, I have another light right here. Let me put it right here. I am getting, I don't know if that's helping. Okay, I think it's helping a little bit. And number 10 is 14-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted round beads in opaque coral. So here we have our bright strand. We always have one of these, which is really fun, because you know you can do so much with it. Then you could do this with the green ones too. Make a really pretty bracelet or something. And now when they give us these bright colors, you know, you look at it like it's very bright, like what am I going to use it in? But a lot of times I will use it as, if for you, my people who subscribe to my channel for a while know, I like to use bright colors as just a pop in a piece of jewelry, not like, you know, the whole piece of jewelry. So like I might use 6 of these or 7 of these for a whole stranded necklace, you know, and just for that little pop of color. So you can use these like that. You don't have to use the whole strand. So remember that when you're creating your jewelry. Number 11 is a 9.5-inch strand of 6mm English cut crystal beads in champagne luster. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, these are really pretty. We got lots of sparklies. Kind of like these champagne beads. Look at that. Okay, and number 12 is 10-piece, 10mm porcelain round beads in, can't get that open, porcelain round beads in vintage orange floral. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at the orange flowers, and they got, so they got, actually, they've got the orange in there, and they've got the green in there. It's the same colors. Could be a really fun, like, spring bracelet. Very pretty. Okay. And number 13 is 2-piece 20x11mm brass filigree style round links. Oh, these are fun. So you can use these as connectors. You can use these as a front, like a pendant. There's a lot you can do with these. Very pretty. Number 14 is 6 pieces of 13mm fancy 4-loop links. These are fun. And they're the same on both sides. You can really use these, you can use these well. You can like dangle things. You can use these as connectors. You can do them like this and use an eye pin with a bead on it and do like you could do something like a long strand. I'm known for those. And do an eye pin, connect that, put a bead in there, twist, do that at bottom like that. These are really pretty. Okay, and number 15 is 10 pieces of 8.5x6mm round drop charms. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I thought these were going to be magnetic closures instead of lobster clasp. These are pretty. You could use these and hang these off of that chain. Okay, number 16 is 10 pieces of 9x8mm fancy coin spacer beads. Ooh, these are pretty. These kind of go in theme with that that little antique watch. Very pretty. These are, I've never seen these before. And number 17 is 40 pieces of 7mm scrolled bead caps. So what I usually will do a lot of times when we get these kind of pendants is I will take one of these and I will put it over that hole to kind of decorate it, and then I will use a jump ring and put the jump ring through and then put like a few seed beads on it. I don't have anything around here that I've done that with. But I like doing that because it kind of finishes that off, you know. But yeah, these are really pretty. Yeah, that's one of them. Very pretty. And last but not least, we have a 17mm vintage style brass spring ring clasp. Oh, interesting. I'm not sure how this works. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here we go. I think it might be stuck. Supposed to, oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, now I was like, how's this not working? Very cool. Very cool. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will leave a link below to Bargain Bead Box if you're not familiar with them. And like I said, a coupon code for BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And these monthly boxes are $24.99. And this one was estimated at $86.82. So that is a big deal. That's almost like $60 of free beads. And anybody who goes shopping for beads knows how expensive they can be. So, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I will leave a link below, and I also leave links to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook if you're interested in following me. And you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.